Hi guys, so in today's video I would like to show you how you can access a locked chat on WhatsApp. If for any reason you locked a chat so that people will not be able to see what is going on in the chat and you want to access the chat, so just open your WhatsApp app like this, and then you see on the top you see the icon that say locked chat. Once you click on it like this, tap on it, it will prompt you to enter your fingerprint or enter your pattern or pin. In any case, if you can actually access it with different options, you can use pattern. If you can use your thumbprint. If you don't want to use your thumbprint, you can also use your pattern. You can click on pattern like this. You'll be able to access the chat with your pattern. If you don't want to access it with your pattern, you can access it with your fingerprint. That's basically how to access it. You can also access it with your face. If you click your face like this, it will open your camera and will prompt you to access the chat with your face. That's how to access a locked chat on WhatsApp. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when I post my next video. Thank you.